there are many Airbnb experiences out there. So how do you make sure that you are the one top of mind and not another experience?
Yes. Well, to me, it's really about knowing what is the pain point of your customer that you are trying to resolve. And so for me, I know that the community that I'm supporting are people that are passionate about personal and professional growth. And so they don't just let go of those when they travel. You know, when I travel, I know that, you know, the hotels that I stay in, I want them to have a gym. I want to be surrounded by nature. So because that's my lifestyle. So when I think about these women, when they're traveling, there's a part of them that is switching off from potentially what they're, and again, it depends on what they're traveling for. It could be traveling for work or holiday, but switching off from their home environment. But still there's a part of them that seeks that personal and professional growth. So as you can imagine, when they go on something like Airbnb and they see all the different types of experiences, what experiences are out there that offer personal and professional growth as you travel? Well, there's the obvious is cooking classes, you know, and there's things around that, like, you know, some art making things. But this one is really tapping into the mind of somebody, the mind that really wants to grow and expand. And so, you know, when I create the advert, it really highlights that, you know, and very specific. I do ask you, do you have a challenge that you face in your life? And so the language that I'm using in the advert, it's really standing out. And of course, you know, there's imagery that shows women coming together. So this is just really about me understanding who it is that I am trying to serve and what it is that their pain point, and then highlighting that. So for me in Airbnb, that what I'm offering is very unique.